Okay guys, let's run through a quick play-by-play of utilizing Canva to create visual graphics, things of that nature. There are definitely a few features in here that you'll just need to play around with to get good at or to get a feel for. I'm going to show you some of the most popular that you may be likely to encounter if you attempt to use this for any of your coursework. So we're going to start with the login button, and you are going to log in with Google using your normal Rapid ID information that you use to log into your Chromebook and Canvas and everything else. So I'm going to pick my account here, and because I'm already logged into Rapid ID, it should be able to just take me straight in. For you guys, it may pull up the Rapid ID portal first. Either way, you're really just logging in using the same information. And then let's see what comes up here. That's just talking about upgrading. Okay. A couple of different things to point out. They have different style of templates, and so if you're looking for something in particular for an assignment or a project, you see they have poster, Instagram post, Instagram story, resume, card, Zoom virtual background. So I mean, tons of templates available. If you have one in particular in mind, instead of scrolling through and trying to find the right one, you can use the search bar and search for something, say, a Venn diagram. And this will find us only the templates or designs that have a Venn diagram. Depending on how many circles you need for however many items you're comparing and contrasting. For my work, you're likely only looking at 2. So you would want to pick one that only has the 2 circles, such as how to make perfect coffee. And keep in mind that this is a template. So it basically does the formatting for you, but things can be changed. And that's what I'm going to show you real quick, is how to do that. So the first thing is to adjust the size. If it feels too small, you use these percentages down here and pick a size that works for you so you can see it a little bit better. Step 2 is understanding that if there's text, there's already a text box. And so if you double click in there, you can change it up. And I can change how to make perfect coffee into English project, depending on whatever we're doing. You can also adjust the elements. You can make them bigger, smaller. Hopefully we're done with that. It did move. Oh, we've got a border on this one. Okay, that's what happened there. So, and then we want to shrink that back up so it actually fits. Well, make this the same size as this. Okay, now it actually fits in there again. So here we have a text box, and we want to change this to, say, text B. Differences. Make it bigger so like maybe it will all fit. And we want to move it. Maybe we like it better at the top. That makes more sense for us. And we want it centered. So we're going to select it all. And we're going to center the text. There you go. Over here is how you can adjust a lot of the features of it, adding further text boxes, changing the background. Elements are just different items that you can put in here. So you see it has shapes, lines, featured graphics, charts, stickers. Some of these will be free to you and available to use. Some of them are only for the pro account, so just kind of keep an eye on that. Really, the purpose of Canva is that it does make it easy to create any type of graphic or visual that is more appropriate to your needs without having to start from scratch if you don't want to. So those are the basics of Canva. If you have further questions, just let me know.